how to make and create sale Instagram post on Canva PC. Hello guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how to make and create sale post for your Instagram. First thing you have to do, go here in the top corner on Canva, click on create design, search for Instagram post right here. Now after you click on Instagram post, go here and scroll down until you find the Instagram sale post. Now click on see all and choose any template you want here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now you can change the picture and the text and everything. After you finish, go here and click download. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.